Do you want to generate AI video with Google VEO 3.1 but you don't know how to do it? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, I believe you are doing great. I'm fine as well. In this video, I will let you know how you can generate AI videos with Google VEO 3.1 free of cost. So let's start the video. So dear friends, first of all, open your computer browser and search Flow. Then you will see the first website, which is Google Flow. Open this website in new tab. Here we go. Then you will see this kind of interface. Then you will also see create with Flow. Click on that. Here we go. And after that you have to create account of Google Flow with your Gmail account. I have already created my account. Then you will see this kind of interface and you will see new project option. Click on new project and then you will see this kind of interface. Over here you will see some settings. You can also select the aspect ratio of the video. I am currently using landscape and here you can see this is VEO 3.1 fast, and from here you can generate frame to video or text to video. So I am currently selecting text to video. Then you have to enter your prompt. So currently I have created my prompt with ChatGPT. You can also do it, and I will copy this prompt and paste in Google Flow. Here we go. Then I will simply hit enter and processing will start. So friends, processing has been done and video is ready, and now I will play the video. Here we go. And you can see the quality of the video is very good, and also the sound is also very compatible with the video. And to download the video, you will see the download option. Click on download and then select the resolution, and the video will be downloaded into your device. So friends, this is how you can generate AI videos with Google Flow and VEO 3.1, but you cannot make unlimited videos. You can only make free 5 videos per month. I believe you learned something new from my video. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe my channel and click on the notification bell as well. See you in the next one.